Hi guys, welcome back to another Tip Tuesday. We are back at our studio.
And in the air conditioning.
I know, it's so hot outside here in Florida now that it's June, but anyway, we're happy to be back. Today we're going to talk to those homeowners getting ready to put their homes up for sale who have questions about what to do about those holes that are going to be left on the walls when they take things down.
Okay, so we have 3 tips for you, small, medium, and big. For the small little wall repairs, so you hung something up with a command strip and you pulled it off and they don't damage the wall. Yeah, okay, until you damage the wall. What it does is it just takes off this top layer with your orange peel texture that is so popular in Florida. Guys, they make a spray for that. It's an aerosol spray. It goes on blue, it dries white, you paint over it, and you can't even tell the difference. So tip number 2, if it's a medium hole, we're talking your normal, I have a nail, I put it in the wall and didn't make mistakes and hung a picture, and that picture stayed there. You got 2 options. You can either just leave the nail in, or you can make sure you take the nail out clean where it doesn't mess up any of the paint around it or anything like that, so that when you're looking, you can barely even tell that there was a nail there. Tip number 3.
Well, for bigger damage, so we're talking about maybe you have this big bracket, this big brace where there used to be a wall-mounted TV. A lot of times buyers prefer to have those left behind because the damage of removing them is so great. So you might want to talk to your realtor about what your buyers tend to prefer in your area. But if you do decide to take on that project, make sure that it's done professionally.
Yes.
There's nothing worse than having a beautiful home that looks like it has patch jobs all over it that just don't look clean.
And y'all, look at it at different times of day with different light. I know that sometimes you walk in and you're like, oh, that looks fantastic. And then it's 4 o'clock and the sun is setting and it's hotter than blue blazes. You open it and it looks like a collage of, oh my God, what happened in here? So just make sure that you're taking care of the holes in the wall prior to listing or closing, depending on your situation. We want to send a huge shout out to all of our viewers who have been sending us referrals.
Yes.
It is so mind-blowing and cool that somebody says, hey, I watched your Tip Tuesday and I want you to be my realtor, and both of us have gotten a couple of those calls now. So
thank you.
Keep watching. Thank you so much for sending us, your people. Know that we appreciate it and you can trust us to get the job done and take care of them like they were our own family. So, all right, see you next Tuesday.
Bye.